the story, guys. Oh. Okay, so someone took our car and we found over. Take it. He stole our car. So we're taking it back. Okay, let's see. Wait, that's the son. Why would he steal our car anyways?
We ran away.
Okay, well he's... Let's check if he looks. But yeah, we're at IKEA. Hey guys, I was like wondering why you're tapping her. Oh, is he coming yet? Okay, wait. He's like, I'm gonna steal the car. Oh. Hello. Yeah. And he's like, okay, where is he? Hey, where'd he go? So he's looking for the cart. Well, it was our cart that he stole. Okay, well, let's go. Where'd he go? Oh, there he is. Oh, no. So I guess he found his cart. Hallelujah. Cart. May. Cart stealer. Cousin.
What happened?
He was looking around.
And you were right behind him. You're just like this.
Oh, let's take a picture.